Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in our last video we have covered a topic called body multiple parameters. Okay, so we are following this FastAPI official documentation, and at the end I will try to create a end-to-end project in FastAPI. So stay tuned with me. Okay, so now we'll see fields into FastAPI. Okay, so as we can pass parameters in query, path, and also with body, we can also uh, assign metadata into our pydantic model. Okay, using pydantic's field. Okay, so for that we need to import that field from pydantic. So I will just import that into my code. So from pydantic import field. Okay, so now we can use that. Okay, so now I'll just try to copy this code. Okay, so I'll just copy this bunch of code here, and let's just paste this. Okay, so as you can see, now this time we are working with this field. Okay, and now let me remove this space. So as you can see that earlier we are not using this field. Okay, we are just using something like none is equal to none, something like that, right? So now we can also use this field to add some metadata of this particular field description. Okay, so here as you can see in this bracket we have added title and also max length of this particular description field. If you are coming from Django framework, then as you know that in Django framework we are when we are defining the field, we are actually setting the max length of that particular field. Okay, and also we are adding more metadata into that field, right? So similarly in FastAPI as well we can do the same thing. We can add the metadata like this, so we can add the title, max length, and another things. Okay, and similarly for this price we are just defining that it must be greater than 0, and then it is the description of that particular field. Okay, so with the help of this field which is coming from pydantic, we can do the things for this, right? So now let's refresh our documentation page. So if you don't know, then please watch my previous video. Okay, so by going this link localhost/docs, we can go into our particular documentation page. Okay, and now let's click on this. So now this is the thing. Okay, so this is the description uh, of the particular field called price, and this is the particular uh, sorry, yes, this is the particular description field which is having title, let's say third description of the item. Okay, so now I'll just try to run this. So I'll just try to execute this. Okay, so it is saying that like we have to write the correct information. Okay, so required field is not provided, so I think we are passing some wrong thing here, so we need to pass this item ID as well, right? So I'll just try to pass that, and I'll just do execute. So as you can see we are getting the response that ensure this value is greater than 0. So we are getting error because we haven't passed the correct value. Okay, so now we have to pass value of price greater than 0. Let's say 2 I'm passing, and for the string of description I'll just passing a b c, something like this. Okay, and I'm like just I'm not adding this name as of now, and also text I'm putting as 0. Okay, and now I'll just execute this. So as you can see now we are getting a success response. Okay, in this particular thing. So I hope you understood the concept, how we can add metadata information, and also like internally FastAPI is also validating the thing as we have seen, right? If we are not passing the value as we provided into our model declaration, then it will get error, right? So FastAPI will automatically detect that and it will give us the error. So that's all about this field in fast API. I hope you understood the concept. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep sharing, keep loving. Bye.